So now rent office, yes, I want to rent one. Let's take this out. Yeah, I didn't drag the titanium for some reason. Okay, that's there. Perfect. And rent office, clear. Yes. Now I should be receiving the notification, destroy service, so then that's getting called, and then this should have gotten the notification. No, it didn't. Cancel on rented offices. An office rental changed. That was there. That's correct. Oh wait, there's more here. Okay. Notification on public attributes changed. But there's no notification for the destroyal of it. Why is that? Okay, let's just try this again. Whoops. Take the from here. Add some items in it so I can do something with it. I don't know why it looks like that sometimes. Unrent office, yes. Now let's go into. I don't know why I put a breakpoint there. Okay. What? I don't want to continue this. What the hell? Okay. Let's try this again. Rent, yes. Open hangar. Okay. Let's create some titanium inside. I want to have something in there so I can test this. And rent. Yes. Continue. Okay, there. So, okay, so it's crashing some reason. Object reference necessitates an instance of an object. Handle an office destroyed line 534. Destroy service line 140. So I'm guessing that the one of the things there is null. Most likely this here is null. Rent office one. Corp hangar. Create 311. I can take this out. Move this here. Yes. And rent. Okay. Play. What is null? Bound string is not null. Bound server information is null. So that's why it's crashing. Okay, so that's bound. Where's the bound inventory? Okay, yeah, that makes sense because the bound service information is not stored anywhere. Instance bound service information. Can I update it? I think I can from the outside. Yeah, I cannot. Protected set. Yeah, I should not be able to update it. I mean, I should be able to make it public in here when overwriting it. And I have to do public new, and that's not what I'm looking for. And I wouldn't have the ID until I've bound the service, so I need to do it this order. Ubuntu. Okay, so this is why it was done like that instead of being handled in here, because I need to do it from the outside, from the inside. So yeah, I will have to do this instead. Where's the bound inventory? Just undo things here. So I have this function here. I can just do this again. Use the function, the variables that I have here. Items, notification sender, dogma notifications, bound service manager. I also have to include the inventory broker creator. Let's just call it creator. Bound service manager, that will be bound service manager. This one will be this. Now creator dot public instead of private. That will solve it. Then this will be item creator. This, I mean, the bound inventory shouldn't be modifiable from the outside, but this fits the situation better. And then I can just go back to the inventory broker and just undo that hunk instead of having everything in the everything reverted back. So I can just do revert lines. I don't want to revert the hunk actually. That way I don't really have the where's the inventory broker here. So that should take care of it. And use this. Okay, that should fix the issue. In theory, I'm not sure if I'm missing anything else though. Where's corporation offices? Okay, so let's just remove all of them. Inventory items, select rows. Oops, I did clear. Can I remove more than one at the same time? I should be able to, right? Yes. Apply, then the server is up and I can start clearing things and getting into the game. Okay, so log in. Let me just go back to the stream. Okay. New try. Let's see what happens now. Rent office, yes. Let's just take this one out of here. Create a new Tritanium. Yes, whatever. That's not important. So the camp is on the table. Okay. So add Tritanium here, yes, and rent office, and now it's when I'm looking for the message, yes. Then if I go inside the, yes, that has data, that has data, that has data in it. So then it shouldn't crash anywhere, right? Okay, there, there, there. Perfect. So that should have worked now. Exception. Okay. Well, I can look that one up here. Okay. Takes exactly 4 arguments. 5 given. Wait, what? Unlock object disconnect. Object client and reference. I'm just sending that, right? Object client and reference. Object client and reference. Then why is it complaining about different arguments? It takes 4 arguments, 5 given. That's on servicemanager.py. Unlock object disconnect. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm not looking at the right function, but service manager. How is the Mollycod? Oh, fucking names. Mollycod led thread. So it received a notification, but don't know what being counting method to use crossing the wire. Maybe because of the name? But that should be included. Every other notification includes it anyway, so where's the destination source payload data container? So that data container, then I'm guessing that this is the culprit 123, and then this conversion to tuple is the thing that is yeah, but then how is it supposed to know what notification I'm sending if I don't send the name? Mac object disconnect. Well, the name is also in the headers, right? Broadcast for corp ID. Version both case change. What? Is it sending this all the time? So it's here, so in theory I don't need to send that. It's what I take from this. Let me just do a custom implementation of that. Import py tuple, and then instead of +1, let's just do equals 0. Then it's going to be this, this, this. Okay, so that should take care of the... I don't need this. I just need to do this, okay? Okay, magically disconnect. I mean... Error parameter or return type. Oh yeah, I have to update the notification parameter here. Okay, so this one is a special for some reason. Object push attributes, and this one wasn't special for some reason. I don't. Yeah, there's some weird stuff with how CCP was doing things back in the day. I feel like this is kind of older code. Tapping into, so that's why the notification name shouldn't be sent with body of the notification. That's the only thing that I can think of, really. So let's just try it again and see what happens. It seems that the functionality is pretty much there. It's just that the unbinding of Mac objects should be handled. And if the live had like a bit more of a verbose logging, I might be able to get some more information from live, but oh well, I'm not going to risk an account. I mean, I'm already risking it doing this stream. So clear logs, just check the database and make sure that everything is cleaned up. Close all. Don't save. Corporation offices, then remove all of this, delete rows, apply, and then inventory items, the same thing. Okay, let's see. There. Delete, apply. So, okay, finish. The server is up. I can connect again. Okay. Let's see what happens now. Hopefully with that, I've ironed out all the possible issues. Most likely I will have missed something. Anyway, so... Rent office. Yes, I want to rent one. I don't care about it that much anyway. Okay, items 1. Yes, rent. Then clear the console. Okay, yes. And let's see. No exceptions there. Okay. Mark object disconnect. So now this is the kind of thing that bothers me with on Eve. Like, for some reason, this notification in a specific has to be differently handled. So all the notifications have the name and the arguments alongside it, but this one, most likely because of the mechanism that is dispatching it inside the client, doesn't need to have the name in front of the data. So now I have to implement some kind of support for this one way or another. Otherwise it will be hell to actually support this kind of notification, which is a pain in the ass, to be honest. But then it goes through a scattered event anyway, so no, what the hell is CCP thinking? But yeah, that seemed to be have worked just fine. So it called the right function. Nothing seems to be complaining. Everything seems to be there. Unbinding service 16, unbinding service 10, receive a notification of type something. Yeah, so now everything seems to be working fine.